Alright, we're back. Block printing on recyclable materials. I love block printing so much, I had to make a second video. I mean, who in their right mind wouldn't love this versatile medium? You can print on anything. Alright, we got our blocks. These blocks, like I said in the last video, they're made of this thick rubber called safety cut. Our water-based inks, Speedball brand. I love Speedball. Not even a product sponsor. And a roller. Let's lay down some ink. Get a nice healthy bead of ink going. All right, saturate this block. There we go. Get the ink down. And once again, you can use a brayer for this, but I just use an old paint bottle with kind of a smooth bottom and just press that beautiful paper down into the ink. Bam! First print, Boston Terrier. All right, on to the recyclables. Boom, we're off. The greatest thing about all of this is just creating in general. Waking up in the morning, having an idea on your mind, executing it throughout the day, drawing some sketches up or whatever, cutting your block out, and by the end of the day, you could have a finished product. It's amazing. That's a magical journey. Creating in this way is definitely its own reward. It's meditative, it's peaceful. It brings a great balance to my life. I love it. A lot of times I'll go out on a walk by myself and ideas will just flood in. As soon as the mind is quiet, ideas are like, here we come. If you have space for them, they're there. And that's too many ideas is a good problem to have. All right, look at this little guy. Jetpack hedgehog. So we're just printing, building up a pile of artworks. And we just keep going. This is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Enjoy the journey. You enjoy your time during this entire process. Here we go. We got a pile of artworks. You can have an art show right now. Look at this. In the market for a Cabernet Sauvignon or a nice Merlot, this guy has got the answers for you with his distinguished palate. This rodent knows what he's doing. I trust him with all my wine pairings. We are block printing, dude. We're doing this. We're in the middle of this. Actually, we're at the end of this. So, like I said in the other video, cleanup is so easy with water-based inks, it's almost embarrassing. Some water and the tiniest bit of soap, and you're finished. Check out our stack of prints! Look at those babies! Sweet! Alright, we're coming to the end of this one. So, as always, keep creating. I love you. Thanks for watching, and have fun.